Today, I'm excited to share a new feature that enhances the functionality of your Eversys machines: the ability to upload ads remotely. Once you've activated this feature through our support, you'll discover two shiny tabs in your SmVend account: Groups of Machines and Ads Campaign, accessible for manager and administrator roles. Let's break it down. Groups of Machines. Want to send ads to multiple machines at once? Easy. Head to the Groups of Machines tab, hit Create Group, name it, and enlist the desired machines. Click Create to finish. Ads Campaign. Now navigate to the Ads Campaign tab, hit Create, name your campaign, pick the machine models, and specify image sizes. Load up images for the screensaver and progressive screens. Lastly, choose specific machines or a group, create the campaign, and bam! Your machines will reboot, and within 2 minutes your fresh ads will light up the screens. Effortless, powerful, and user-friendly, just how we like it at SmVend.